How much does it cost to commute to Morgan State University from Frederick, Maryland? That's exactly what I'm going to be detailing in this video today. Today I'm going to be using my 2007 Dodge Nitro, which houses a 3.7-liter engine, as well as only going to a Shell gas station on Route 40. I will also be using the Upside app, which allows me to earn cash back on different purchases. I will also be breaking down exactly my expenses for the gasoline as well as maintenance for my vehicle. The fall semester is from August to December. I only commuted on Mondays and Fridays. My gas expense was $695.03. My vehicle maintenance expense was $1,109.49, with the total being $1,804.52 that I spent during the fall semester. If we take our expenses, we can subtract our cash back. I did earn $34.34 using the Upside app, and I also earned $126 using my Capital One Walmart credit card, with our new total being $1,644.18. We can go ahead and take Morgan State's housing costs. I stayed at HH Midtown, aka the Varsity, last year, and they charged me $4,723.50 per semester. We can take that and subtract our expenses, which were $1,644.18. And now you can see I saved a grand total of $3,079.32 commuting from Frederick, Maryland to Morgan State University on Mondays and Fridays. If you guys would like to see my spring semester expenses, be sure to like and subscribe and let me know down in the comments. Thank you for watching.